Hi folks, I've been working on a new project called Waymond. It's an open source autoscaler which tries to provide autoscaling for a wide variety of infrastructure. Let's dive into its architecture to understand how it differs from other autoscalers. At its core, there are three components called triggers, connectors, and scalers. Triggers are the starting point of Waymond. They can emit some event which can ultimately lead to an autoscaling activity, and scalers are the components which perform the actual autoscaling activity. For example, AWS EC2 autoscaler can contact AWS APIs to understand the number of EC2 instances in that AWS account and add or remove instances based on the desired count that we have configured, right? Or that we have received from an event, right? From a trigger maybe. And connectors are the ones which connect these components, triggers and scalers, and it can even connect triggers to triggers, and that can ultimately be chained, leading to a scaler and perform auto scaling. So let's see a demo of a very simple use case. Here I have a waymond config which has one trigger and one scaler, and I'm using a connector to connect those two components. So the trigger is a cron trigger which emits events at per 1 minute, and scaler is a docker scaler, so it just tries to maintain two containers of like Redis that are like Redis image in my local machine. So let's see that in action. So let me run waymond. And as you can see, I'm already running two Redis containers, so I'm going to run a new Redis container. So right now I'm running three Redis containers, but my config says I just need two containers. Let's see what waymond does. Waymond is waiting for waymond is basically waiting for events to arrive and handle it. So yep. So here what happened is an event from the cron trigger was emitted, and the scaler captured it, and it figured out that the current count is 3 but the desired count is 2, right? And it removed the container. Let's remove a container. So right now only one Redis container is there. Let's see what waymond does now. Right, it's after this emit, it's waiting for since the cron trigger is per minute, it's waiting for another minute. So after a minute it should even trigger an event which should change the auto scale the containers to the desired count of 2. So yeah, the event arrived, and the new docker container started. So if we leave it as it is, for every 1 minute waymond is going to check if there are two Redis containers running. If not, it will add or remove the containers as we based on that fact, right? So that's the short demo. I've written up a lot of things in the readme. Please do check it out if you're interested in the project. And of course it needs a lot of help because since it's modular, we can add a lot of modules and stuff. So if you're interested in contributing, do take a look at the issue tracker and also the readme. It also states a few places where I can get help. Cool. Thank you.